Alright here, Bindi. There, right there. I wonder if I can zip this. There is my new driveway that Angel made me for my birthday. And I'm going to go down there and talk to you while we're going down. And this is my brand new little camera that I've been telling you about so much that I found while we were... See how it goes down? I don't know if you can really tell the angle from this. Here's my old walkway that I made Angel. I made her a little walkway to go down to the chicken coop. And down there is the chicken palace. All the chickens. Yeah, this is such good exercise going down here. And then coming up, I get dropped off down there at the road, way up on top of the hill there. And then there would be the chickens. We have about 20 chickens there. And Angel takes care of them all the time. Every morning she comes out and feeds them and everything. She's all dedicated to her little wonderful chickens. Okay, we're coming to the bottom. And this is all my driveway, Bindi. Yep. So, let's go back over here. There it is. Cool. Alright, let's come up here. I want to show you my chicken coop. Give you a nice little tour of this. There they are. Those are, I think she calls him Handsome Roo. The Handsome Rooster. And I made all three of these chicken coops for them. Okay, now go back up the track up to the house. Track up to the house. Hey, there's a cat. That's Tiki 2. Or Takoa. Takora 2. Did you hear that, Handsome Roo? Hey, Tiki 2! What you doing, Tiki 2? You pretty girl? Yeah, you're that pretty girl. Come on, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna have to make a recording when the deer come around. So we'll have to do a recording. Wow. Okay. There goes Tiki. I think she wants to go upstairs. She'll be running up the stairs here in a second. Come on, Tiki, you want to go upstairs? Come on, let's go up. Okay, she does it. Okay, Bindi. There it is. A wonderful driveway. Okay. And I'll post this and I'll see you later. Love you, see ya.